So the process that I created, mind you, remember this is my first time doing this, but I've also done a ton of lead generation in the
Yeah,
past.
yeah.
So
You
I
put them through a
knew that.
qualification process, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So my process was, okay, I'm gonna put a very marketing driven description of my require. Like the headline, it was extremely important for me. So I put something along the lines of uh like something, it was a percentage, like it was something business for sale in the education space with X percentage margins. And I knew I was gonna get a ton of hits. It was like the perfect, like if you're looking for a
I'm
cash
sorry. What
flowing
industry?
business,
I missed that. I got to go back and record. What?
and the way that I set up the microacquire thing is that they had to apply for me to be able to send them any sort of information. So I was able to actually vet them and go on their profiles and see, okay, do they have money or do they have money? Because I need to sell this, and I'm not gonna take any big people from this, unfortunately, because I'm pretty sure that my client is not gonna want that.
You can buy a company with Epic, but you don't sell a company Epic. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So So once I saw a couple of qualified people, I will approve them. I will send them a link. I had a script that was something along the lines of like, hey, thank you for your interest. If you want to get access to this, just click here to sign the NDA. They will sign the NDA. I will send them a professional presentation that I designed. It was like a 14-page presentation, a Google Doc with everything, a slideshow that I designed. I will send it to them. On the last slide, if you're interested in continuing the conversation, click here to book a call with me. I will get calls booked on my calendar. I will vet them. We'll have a conversation. And if I felt good about them, then I will loop in the seller on the conversation. And that's when I will start doing the introductions and whatnot.
Yeah.